Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. It is week 7 of our master bath reno, and we are finally almost done with the bathroom contractor part. There's just some paint touch-ups that still need to happen next week, and then there's a few things that have to happen on my end. We should be getting our inspections next week too, so that's super cool. But I wanted to show you what has been done in the meantime. So over here, the 2 closets, we have a light, and I'll just open them up, and we've got, we've got light in here. These are really nice bright lights, so once we get clothes in here, we will have a nice way to see everything. So that's really cool. And so both of these closets have light now, and so that is really nice. And then over here on the other side of the room, my little baby closet right here also has light. So that is super cool. Everything will be really well lit. Okay, and then the bathroom. All the lights are off right now, so let's turn them on one by one. Here's my little panel. And so here are the lights above the sink. We've got a light right here as we come in, and then there's the light over the shower area. And our fan is in, so that's good. We've got in-floor heating, so that control is right there. We've got the control for our little electric heat right here. And then this controls the fan up here. So that's really cool. We got our electrical installed in here. I haven't put in the shelves yet for our medicine cabinets, but this little thing right here is actually, you can see right here, I can put my phone right here, and there's electricity over on this side. So I can charge my toothbrush in here. I could even charge my phone in here if I wanted to. I haven't taken the cardboard off of here yet, but I could do that now. This is a magnifying mirror, and it's cool. Let's see if I can slide this off easily. One-handed here. Okay, so this is a magnifying mirror right here, and it can slide up and down. So that's like a really nice little thing to have inside of there that I can pop out when I need it. Because as we age, of course, there's, you know, our eyesight's not as good. And then over here, this will be my husband's, and he also has his little electricity over here. And so, yeah, things are really cool. I even put electricity in one of the bottom drawers here. This was like an added option that I could have. So yes, this bathroom is really fully electrified. And the toilet has been installed, and it's got its electrical outlet in there. I did not put lights in this closet here because I'm having shelves put in there. And even if I put a light in here, it would pretty much be blocked by the shelves. But there is my little electrical outlet so that I can charge my vacuum cleaner. And we got these little, this is our little toilet paper holder. I love how this lifts up. Oops. And I can put the toilet paper on there, but now there's like, it's not spring loaded. This is just like a little lever, and you slide your toilet paper on there. Over here, we have our towel bars, and I stack them. So one of us will take up and one of us will take the down one. And that's where we'll hang our towels. And then I added 2 little hooks over here. I put them a little towards this side so they wouldn't interfere with the towels that were hanging up here. There is a method to my madness. And yeah, so everything is super cool. We're still missing in this room, we're still missing, of course, our glass shower door. So that is still missing. We're missing closet organizers, and we're missing window treatments too. I've ordered those now, and I've ordered a bench cushion. I still need to order some throw cushions to match. I've just been kind of thinking about the measurements of the throw cushions that I want to put back there. But the bench cushion was really easy to measure, and so that has been ordered. And then of course I still need to call my hardwood guy to come fix this little area right here. So I will be texting him soon. Now that most of the work has been done in here, I can get him to come in here, because I didn't want him to be interrupted by people constantly going back and forth. It just wouldn't have worked out well, because it does take a little bit of time to like cure the varnish and everything, and you know, there'll be sanding going on. It's right on the threshold of where all the activity was going. So, but anyway, so this will probably be, probably won't be doing an update until I have blinds in here, maybe closet organizers, until like some of the finishes are still coming in the bedroom. And then I'll do like one final tour of this place so you can see what it looks like once some of those last products that need to still get installed. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.